Greetings from a completely new beach spot, and this one is on the sea, close to Grisslinge in Värmdö municipality, out on the sea, and spontaneous nudist beach spot as it is a bit far from any houses and area. And I have discovered it by randomly by just walking around the coast, looking on the maps and seeing where there is cliffs like this. And I'm gonna be enjoying with a swim in the sea on this sunny Friday evening, almost 6 p.m. and 22 degrees Celsius in the air. And I'm curious how we are doing with the temperature in the sea. So we're gonna measure. Okay, let's go. (17 degrees Celsius in the sea, so now we have same temperatures in the lakes as in the sea. And let's wait until the sun comes back to continue with the vlog. And some clouds are in the way, but we're gonna continue anyway, as I really want to go for a swim. And the forecast is so unpredictable, as it said it's gonna be cloudy all day long except the morning, so that's why I went for a super early swim at 7 a.m. so that it'll be fun. But now that I realize that it's gonna be sunny, I'm out for a quick swim in the evening. The sea looks amazing, and from here I can see on the other end at Sodersved, I think at some point, and it's so amazing. I'm so happy to discover one completely new beach spot. Much better than the public beach Grisslinge that I have shown you several times. That's a public beach. I saw from by walking along the coast that it was lots of people, and I knew that here it's gonna be probably nobody, which it was the case. So a bit chilly it is in the water. It's actually closer to 16 than to 17, but that ain't gonna stop me from swim in the sea here. Indeed, a bit challenging to get inside, but will do my best, as it is very slippery to begin with. I think here it's gonna be decent. Is on, which makes things a bit trickier, but Chris is ready for a swim in the sea. Let's go! Oh my god, look at this rock, it's amazing. I just wondering how did I never found about this place before. It's very amazing. Technically it's the entry to this place. It seems like entry to some skate park, but there was a different area to get into it, and for this end it's actually protected by law, the coast itself, so I thought that this was for everyone. So it's my assumption. It's very nice indeed. Not maybe the best entry to get into the water, but the water is so clean and clear, and I'm having this place just for myself on this 10th of July. Yes, it's lovely at the sea indeed. Let's swim a bit more. A bit chilly, but refreshing at the same time. It's so lovely. So lovely indeed. I just love this type of natural places. It's so lovely. Brilliant. So yes, it's time for Chris to swim a bit longer, aiming for 15 minutes again today, even though it's a bit chillier. But thank you so much for watching this episode from this completely new spontaneous nudist spot on the sea in Värmdö, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.